Hi. Today we will see how to hide WhatsApp chats while using the WhatsApp web. What happens is, when we use WhatsApp web on a laptop browser, all our chats, the profile names, and display pictures of the people that we chat with, are exposed to whoever is looking into our laptop. This is a serious privacy issue. Let's see how to solve this. Go to Google and search Google extensions. Click this Chrome Web Store link. Such a page will open. Now search WhatsApp. Click this extension called Privacy Extension for WhatsApp Web. Click the Add to Opera button. If you are on Chrome or some other browser, you will see that browser's name here instead of Opera. Click Add Extension. The extension has been installed in my browser. Now I will log into the WhatsApp web. Click the extensions option of the browser. Here you will see all the extensions listed. Click the privacy extension of WhatsApp web. You will see such a menu. Here you can configure all the things you want to hide or show on the WhatsApp web. Select profile pictures, group users' names, and no transition delay options. Keep all the other options as they are shown. Now if I open my WhatsApp chats list, you can see that all my chats, their profile pictures, their names, everything is hidden. So even if someone is sitting near me, that person won't be able to see my chat information. If I want to see a certain chat, or its name, or its profile picture, then, I just have to hover my computer mouse over that chat. So that's it. That's how you can secure your WhatsApp web chats using a browser extension. Thanks for watching.